everybody, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Sarah and I'm so excited about today's video. I have been wanting to do this for several weeks now and my schedule finally opened up to where I could go ahead and do this today. And I've been so pumped by watching everybody else's videos. Today's video will be a fall decor haul slash decorate with me. So I'll start out by showing y'all the things I picked up, where I got them from, kind of what my thoughts and ideas are, and then after that we'll get to the fun part and y'all are gonna decorate with me today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm gonna start with some items. If you happen to have seen my last video, I went to Lidl for the first time and I picked up a couple of things. So I'm going to show you what I got there. I picked up this cinnamon broom. It was only $3.99. It smells amazing. While I was there, I also picked up these they're air fresheners, apple scented. I actually had these sitting in my pantry and you can smell it through the bag. That's how strong they are. I don't really know if this is considered a fall scent, but I thought the bottle was really fun and festive. This is a hand soap that I picked up at TJ Maxx. The colors with the orange and everything, I just thought this would look really pretty sitting at the kitchen sink. And these I picked up, I know the black and white checkered print is really popular these days. It came with an orange and the black and white checker. This was at Hobby Lobby. Now, I want to encourage you guys that if you haven't already, definitely go through your drawers, your closets, take a look at stuff that you might actually already have, because I didn't realize it, but I already had some like pumpkin spice candles that I had bought like last year that I had forgotten about, and I was able to pull them out so I can use them this year. So I highly recommend go through, look at stuff that you already have to save yourself a few bucks to add to your fall decor, and you can do that for Christmas too. So I pulled out this guy. We had him already, and this is actually an owl piggy bank that we had, and he just looks very harvesty and fallish to me, so I figured I would put him out somewhere. Next, I got these guys. Let me see if I can show you a little bit closer. So these are some glass pumpkins that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and I just felt like they were so cute. I feel like these are so timeless. We'll be able to use these for years. You know how you get some things and they just really make you happy? I found this clear glass pumpkin at Target. The bottom is open, so I picked up some twinkle lights, and I got these twinkle lights at Target. It's got the copper wire, so you can like arrange it and it'll kind of go where you want it to within, and I'm gonna stick them in this clear pumpkin so that way the lights twinkle. Okay, this one I found at the dollar spot at Target. Just has a clean look to it. It just says cool, crisp air, sweater weather, you know, things like that. And I'm probably gonna put this in the kitchen, I think. Okay, so I found this at Hobby Lobby. It is some pumpkin potpourri. It's got like the dried oranges, pumpkins, leaves, and the pine cones. I just thought it was so festive and so fun. And then at Hobby Lobby, I picked up 4 of these little guys. My original thoughts was I was going to paint them white, but then the more I looked at them, the more I was loving that orange color. And these I'll be using to help decorate the dining room table. Then I got 2 of these guys at Hobby Lobby, and these will be on the dining room table as well as part of the centerpiece. And then I got this guy. He's a little bit bigger. I got him at Hobby Lobby as well, so he'll be helping with the centerpiece on the dining room table. And I found this one at Hobby Lobby. I'm not really sure exactly where I'm gonna put this one. It'll probably be in the kitchen, somewhere on the counter. We'll see. Then I found these beautiful sage, kind of soft green napkins. These were at Bed Bath & Beyond. So these will be going on the dining room table as well. I got this really pretty runner. I don't know if you can see the details. It's got a little like hint of gold and it's just very soft and neutral. This is great because I don't have to use it just for the fall. I could use it for several other special occasions. It's just very neutral, but it's gonna give that look that I was going for. So this is a table runner. I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond. And Peter gets some brownie points. He picked me up these, I don't know if you're familiar with Mackenzie Childs. She is known for this kind of black and white checkered style, and he got me these salt and pepper shakers. This is one, and then here's the other one. Aren't they adorable? They're so cute. And then these will all be going on the dining room table. I wanted some greenery, but I wanted it to be soft. They're really long, so I'm gonna have to cut these long parts off. This will be the greenery on the dining room table, as well as I'll be using bits and pieces of this faux, what is this called, lamb's ear or something? Like a fuzzy, kind of soft green. So all the greenery I just showed you, I found at Hobby Lobby. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get to decorating. it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and leave me a comment so that way I know you were here. And until next time, happy fall, y'all.